There are those California buyers who want the convenience with a little more attitude and the trademark crankiness. So, as it did with the original California, Ferrari has added a Handling Speciale Package to the new turbocharged California T's repertoire. This $8,120 option turns the least expensive Ferrari into something that's stiffer and faster and more fun, and the trade-off is a slightly firmer ride, all the time. Ferrari has left the core of the California T's engine untouched, so the 3.9-liter, twin-turbo V8 still has 557 pounds-to-foot of torque from 4,750 revolutions per minute and 553 horsepower at 7,500 revolutions per minute. Like on every California T, the engine's boost manager only lets you access 442 pounds-to-foot in the first 3 gears, with each successive gear unlocking a little more torque until you reach 7th, where the maximum is available. This helps make the California T drivable and has the added benefit of flexibility once in the tall top gear. While that is all stock on the California T, the 7-speed dual-clutch Getrag gearbox is the first part of the car to receive the Handling Speciale treatment. Ferrari rewrote its software to make it shift more aggressively, both up, 30% quicker, and down, 40% quicker, particularly in the car's 2 sportier driving modes.